up, guys? We are in the Jeep right now. We're going to assist one of the other drivers with a winch out. There's a AT&T truck, I think it's a F-550, that's stuck in the mud over in Lake Jackson. One of our other drivers got stuck trying to get to it in his truck. So we're taking my Jeep over there because it's four-wheel drive. And we're gonna go see if we can't test out some of our Yankum ropes on this one. So we see what we got here in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, I'll need that. One of these days I'm gonna invest in a pintle hitch. Get another soft shackle out of there.
Pushed myself out of the deep hole, but
didn't
tire started.
You once you started going down with the front, you was done.
Yeah. Sorry, bro. Just getting the ground.
You're good.
Are you gonna pull it?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull you.
All I gotta do is help you out a little bit, huh?
Yeah, once I get you moving.
What are you gonna do with this one?
I hadn't even looked that far yet.
I moved him about 4
Did you?
foot.
I figure I
was straight. Oh, here we go.
you got a pintle hitch on the back of it, huh?
Yeah.
I can probably just pop you right out of there.
Yeah,
That one's four-wheel drive too.
Oh, that helps too.
a little bit, but yeah, shitty tires now.
Right. Not made for this stuff. Definitely loose, huh?
Oh, you gonna start slipping.
Alright, if I'll be good. I doubt I'll hardly even spin. Nah, not really. I mean, the bed,
more than the stock one though.
Yeah, the bed's probably got the roll.
that bed's actually lighter than the stock one. The lot,
Really?
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
by quite a bit. The stock one's pretty heavy. Wanna hold your phone sideways? All right. See what this Yankum rope can do. Might be good from
I
here.
have to have a little speed going between them trees, though.
Yeah, it's a little soft there.
Hopefully, as long as I don't start spinning right here.
It's pretty solid right here, so
I got stuck in this tree to winch myself
to get through there. At least there's plenty of anchor points here.
We're gonna do the pull right here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna back off to the side here, let you get by. Make sure you get out of there.
I knew I was gonna get stuck.
Yeah, and it's kind of
I didn't think I was gonna get stuck twice.
That, yeah.
Until I knew I was gonna get stuck back there. Also.
Yeah, and with that telephone pole, it's not like you can really not like you can really get anywhere. Pretty soupy back here.
Yeah. So what's our game plan? We're going over that way, and then you hook on the front, or?
Yeah, if we can get you. Do you have hooks on the front? Let's make sure you got a solid recovery point first. That's down pretty hard. Yeah.
Yeah, I got those.
Okay, yeah, as long as you got hooks in the front, yeah, I can try to get you that way and then we can get you turned around. You're good. It's on my
I
fender.
was like, yeah, I went to grab it. I was like, where'd my block go?
Yeah, no, he stuck it back there because I figured.
Those flat tires.
Okay.
These
Wheels
are
are straight.
4 low.
Okay. Yeah, just try not to spin too hard so you don't bury down any more than you got to.
Yeah.
And just help me out a little bit.
It's gonna take a little bit of a jerk right right
Yeah,
there.
no, I'm gonna have to bump you. This rope stretches.
What's it rated for?
33.6. So it's rated for more than enough. Is it moving him at all? No? All right, we'll have to winch him then. Oh, it was worth a shot. All right. I'll have to winch you out. I was hoping we could do it the easy way.
I don't know if it moved or not.
I don't know.
It didn't feel like it.
I don't think it didn't feel.
Budged it.
It didn't feel like it.
Max my wings out.
Did it?
Almost.
My anchor's set up here real quick. Probably gonna need some of my extensions. Need some of these. And some shackles.
Need my J-hook or anything?
No, I'm probably gonna go around the tree with that one and we'll,
Around the bottom.
yeah, as low as we can go. If you can try to toss it around to me somehow.
Probably gonna get mud. Damn.
Ah, you're good. Yeah, mine are pretty wet. Got it.
Every night, for the last 3 or 4 days, or maybe a week, I've been having to put these shoes on a fan.
You can get a boot dryer from Walmart for pretty cheap.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I had one.
A boot dryer?
Yeah, you go. They're in the shoe department there at Walmart. They're like they're what?
Great for winter.
Yeah, they're like $30.
Oh, for a boot dryer?
Yeah, for a boot dryer at Walmart.
Oh yeah, they're great.
That's why I.
Shoot, I just left mine on there. They weren't even wet.
That's good to know. I'm glad. I got it going.
There you go. Go back through here.
Dustin loves a good challenge.
Oh yeah. This is a good one here. Done work. I want to double loop that.
Shorten it up first.
Yeah, just
Glad you
yeah.
got the,
Yeah.
Brought the steer right with you.
Oh yeah, you need some?
I'm good. It seems like that stuff only makes them like me more.
Yeah. It's been keeping them off of them.
All right, I'm gonna snug that up real quick. Winch idled up.
Which one do you think would be better? This one with the wire tires or the deuce and a half?
The deuce and a half. Because this one weighs probably 5,000 pounds. The deuce weighs 15,000 pounds.
That dude sort of snatched it open.
Yeah.
I don't think you would have fit through the trees though.
No, we'd have been rubbing a little bit. Need a couple more of these.
So much for the clean Jeep.
Right. It was still sandy from the beach this weekend, so it'd be all right. I'm gonna need at least one of these. Maybe another one. We'll see. Woohoo! Almost. Yankum snatch wings. Yeah, no, it. I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, I knew it was gonna do this.
That winch is quick. Free spool kind of sort of works on this way. It's pretty.
Yeah, I know it's hard. I remember
It's
that
pretty
last
tough.
time.
Take some spray. I'm good. He probably does.
I might take a little bit.
I sprayed when I got out of the truck.
All right, we'll try about there, Michael.
What happened to this?
Do what? That's the tag.
Oh, okay.
Normally it's
got hot.
normally well no, because it's taped on there.
Oh.
So normally it's under that wrap, but that's good.
It's never come off, but
Yeah, no, it's. I don't want to run too much out yet. 'Cause I still have extension I can run out too.
the lights come in?
Yeah, they're in.
Oh yeah, I think you texted me.
Yeah, I texted Harley too, and you never responded. I don't want to double this.
Yeah.
They're all over you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel bad for you wearing shorts.
Oh, I'm good. I sprayed.
There you go, man.
They ain't messing with me.
Fun spray.
There you go.
I appreciate that.
When we spray you back,
Yeah, if you would.
Got that 100% deep shit
Oh, no.
stuff?
It's got a pretty foul stench to it, man.
Appreciate it. Don't taste good.
every
Watch out.
one law enforcement has is pretty good in the fire department.
All right. Yeah, where's
You need this?
yeah. Go grab that other ring.
So then like this. I ain't done
Through
this
there.
yet, so
Through.
double it.
Okay, go back through. Go back through there.
here?
Yeah. And then back through the shackle. Take it there.
I like those.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's what's cool about them. Winch out. You go down to about a half a wrap if we got to. We should have more than enough line though. A little bit more. All right. this pin in back in here. We'll try it 3-part for now.
Good?
Yeah, that's good. Guess, yeah, is it in neutral or?
No, you're no.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and step back.
Reverse?
Yeah, go ahead and leave it in reverse.
You want him to help out any or?
Maybe a little bit. Still getting mine set in on the tree. It's coming sideways.
Oh, that's good.
It's right with all the rain. So we got, it's a 9,000 pound winch. It's in a 3-part line right now. What's 9 times 3? Huh? 26? I think so. No, 36 would be 4. There we go. 27,000. Yeah. Let me see. We need to get a wireless winch controller for this Jeep.
Turn the other way?
That way.
Well, if he goes that way, he'll crab walk that way. So if you leave it driver, it'll kind of crab walk away from it.
Which way?
If you turn it driver, he'll crab walk to the passenger side. Because I'm pulling the back end over. I just have to duty cycle this winch. It's not like the hydraulic winch on the tow trucks. These electric winches like to get hot. Is he past that hole yet? Almost? When he gets past it, have him go the other way so he starts coming towards me. Let it duty cycle a little bit. Really, I'm being a lot harder on it than I should be. Yeah, now that I want to get him back as much as I can away from that big hole and stuff, because this over here is solid. There you go. If he gives it a little gas, what does it do? Okay. Hold up. Let me, let's go ahead and put it back in park. We'll break down and I can snatch you out now. Definitely got to fix the winch cable now. Ready when you are.
All right.
We'll move him a lot easier this time now that he's not buried. Is he? As long as he ain't buried like he was, we'll be all right. He's oriented how we need him now. Put his pedal hitch back together here. Hopefully we don't need it again. Get that one a little harder than I was planning on. Do what? I'm not even worried about it.
We can all make $10.
Right? For real.
When I called Fleet, I didn't tell him I was off-road.
Right.
You know?
Most of the time they,
Over 10 foot.
oh yeah, off-road is a suggestion to them.
They don't have no
Coverage.
other roadsides. They put 10
Do this so that it pulls even.
Like that, right?
Yeah, double.
It says it's covered 10,000. We just call it roadside.
Hey, we need to bump up the
Up the
we need to up the rates on this one.
Well, shit.
All right.
They're like a hair.
That's wild.
We ready?
Yes, sir. Ready when you are.
There's a little steering going through there.
Yeah, no, I'm hoping by that point we're moving.
I thought I was going towards the fence.
We don't need that. I think we'll call that good that way.
Yeah,
I think you're moving under your own power now.
I think so.
I appreciate it. Well, I have a deuce and a half at the house too. It's been heck trying to get insurance on
When's
that.
this video gonna air here?
This will probably be next week, probably Monday, Tuesday, something like that.
I'll have to check it out.
That drink stayed there the entire time? That's funny. I didn't really hit it that hard either. All right. Let me go ahead and put it back into two-wheel drive. Idle on out of here. He's out, moving under his own power. We're gonna call this one good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share.